This is Ann Batt with Operation Restoration, a nonprofit mission of healing and restoration dedicated solely to teaching borrowers successful, proven, step-by-step instructions how to stop foreclosure through correctly preparing for loan modification or sale of property, even if they are under bankruptcy. Reporting assets and income. Number 1, list estimated value of all autos, even if you do not have auto loans. Number 2, list a realistic conservative value for your property. Do not use the property tax assessment and do not list the mortgage balance unless this is substantiated by a professional. Now I'm going to recommend something to you which is not mandatory, but is meant to help you to be aware of your current market value. You may want to ask 1 to 2 realtors who work in your area to give you a free CMA one-page summary. This is free and will take a realtor just a couple of minutes. If later you decide to sell your property, this realtor may be the one you ask to sell it. If you do get the help of a realtor, ask him or her not to pull records older than 6 months and to use property similar to yours, not extreme variations. Mortgage servicers do run internal valuations, so it is better for you to be knowledgeable. Again, this is not mandatory. Number 3, for income, do not estimate gross and net income amounts. These amounts have to be exact and verified by documentation. Number 4, remember, do not use unemployment income. It is considered temporary income and is not eligible. Number 5, if you have other income listed in the additional other income box, please circle all income types that apply. The next section explains ways to show income. To avoid confusion, use one method per income. In other words, do not show the same income via a pay stub and by circling direct deposits on bank statements. Always show the most recent 1 month, 30-day period. Please note, this does not apply to people using profit and loss sheets who are reporting average monthly gross and net incomes. We recommend to write on documents you are using to verify income, quote, use as income verification, end quote. This will help the servicer's employee to quickly identify what you are using as supporting documents. There are 11 ways to verify income listed on the website. Number 1, of course, the most common request made by servicers is to submit pay stubs from full-time or part-time employment. Remember to show the most recent 30 days or 1 month period. As these are sometimes hard to read, we recommend that you circle pay dates, gross income, and net income. Gross income is before any deductions. Net income is after all deductions. Write gross and net income numbers clearly somewhere on the stubs. Write somewhere on the stub paid twice a month, or paid every 2 weeks, or paid once a week. Number 2, another way to show income is a profit and loss sheet. You can find a template on the website. Use the profit and loss sheet if you are self-employed. It is also helpful to use if your income fluctuates considerably month to month and you want the servicer to use average income. Make sure to explain this fluctuation in your hardship letter. If you are self-employed, take total gross and net income during the self-employed time period, use at least 6 months if you can, and divide by the number of months to get an average monthly amount for gross and net incomes. One word of caution, many investors serviced by Bank of America may require a profit and loss sheet signed by a CPA, but if you develop your own and afterwards are asked to provide one by a CPA, you can then meet that requirement at that time. Third, use the page or pages from the most recent bank statement and circle the deposits. We show an example of this on the website. Use this way only as an alternative if you do not have pay stubs. Remember to write, use as income verification somewhere on the page. This does not replace the requirement to submit full bank statements. This is only verifying income. Fourth, use a pension benefit statement showing the monthly pay to you or a contributing member to household. There is an example on the website. To obtain one, call the number listed on any correspondence from the benefits provider and request a copy of the statement. If you need additional guidance or servicer executive level intervention, write help@operationrest.org or call the number listed under Contact Us. This information is provided free of charge by Operation Restoration. Donations are critically needed to help this mission move forward. If this material has helped you or someone you love, please visit operationrest.org and click on Donate Now. May God bless you.